Begin this meditation in a comfortable position. You can be either seated or laying down, giving in to where your body is right now in this moment. Really choosing to follow what feels best today. And as you begin to get settled, bring your focus to your breathing. Allow yourself to take 3 deep breaths in, filling up all of the space within your body. And on the exhales, allow a sigh of relief, really letting go of anything you've been holding on to. Any energy that's been stuck, any stress or tension. On those exhales, let it go. Let it release. Begin these breaths now in your own time. Feeling the expansion and the space within your body on the inhale, and feeling the release. Your body holds the capacity and the space for so many miracles. Allow yourself to explore this space. And as you begin to find stillness, allow your body to sink even deeper into the surface beneath you. And repeat after me. I choose to have the most abundant and successful year. Everything is being rearranged in this moment in my favor. And take a deep breath in and exhale, allowing a wave of excitement and certainty to flow through you, like currents of electricity beginning to awaken you to a life greater than you could have ever dreamed. This moment, right now, is the beginning of the shift in your life where everything from this point forward begins to work out in your favor. Now begin to feel and notice where your body's making contact with the surface beneath you. Noticing that connection, allowing your body to really let go and be supported. I want you to imagine sinking so deeply into this surface that you begin to sink through it. Going backwards, almost as if you're being held by a slingshot that is pulling you backwards even deeper than this surface. And as you allow this slingshot to begin to pull you backwards, decide where you are going to aim. Right now, set the intention of where you are going, of who you want to be, what you want to have, of what you want to manifest, and of the life you desire to have this year. Nothing is off limits. Every single thing that you desire is available to you, and it's right here in front of you. Look around and explore all of the possible options available to you. All of these options are already yours, without a doubt. And right now, you are aimed directly at them. You're looking right at everything you have ever wanted. And in this moment, choose just one of these things that you intend to manifest. One of these endless opportunities and possibilities that are available to you. And once you decide, it's time to take aim. Look right at what you want with certainty and clarity. And as you feel yourself being slowly pulled back on this slingshot, taking aim at exactly what you want, feel the energy and tension begin to build within your body. Feel this energetic pressure building within you, the anticipation building as you aim towards directly what you want. It's as if you have never been so sure and certain that something is yours. It's as if all of the cells in your body are aligning with it. Allow this desire to build and grow within you, to begin to live within you. And as you reach the peak of this intensity, feeling this pressure and energy built up throughout your whole body, you are right on the verge of where you're at now versus where you want to be. You're right on the edge. You're right at the tipping point. Repeat after me. It's here and it's mine. I'm certain of it. And take a deep breath in. And exhale, feeling the snap of the slingshot unleashing you forwards towards your desire. All of this energy built up within you being released at once as you fly through space and time, heading directly towards what you want. Feel this acceleration, this release, this freedom of flying quickly and directly with perfect aim. Releasing all of the things that were holding you back. You are unstoppable in this moment as you fly freely towards what you want. Feel it all falling away from you as you become more weightless and as you move faster. You're free. What are you ready to let go of? What no longer feels good to you? Let it fall away. Release it. Feel this freedom and this speed at which you're moving without carrying all of these burdens anymore. You are simply flying. And as you begin to approach this desire that you want, everything starts to fall into place and make sense. You have this sense of clarity and peace that you've never felt before. Everything that you've been through, everything that you've endured, all finally makes sense and has led you right here to this moment. This moment where it's finally yours. There's no longer a feeling of wanting this thing. It's a feeling of knowing. A feeling of complete freedom. A feeling of being so sure that it's obvious. And with an open heart and this open energy of receiving, allow yourself a few moments to experience having this desire now. It's yours and it's here. Enjoy it. And take a deep breath in and exhale, and place your hand over your heart and repeat after me. Everything always works out in my favor. I always get what I want. Taking a moment to reflect on this journey, this shift, this choice to let go of the burdens holding you back and choose the freedom to create and receive. This is your moment. This is the year that you've waited your whole life for. This is the time where everything begins to shift and work out in your favor, always. Know it and feel it deep within your heart. And repeat after me. I am meant to have what I want. I'm open to receive. And take one last deep breath in and exhale, placing your hand back down by your side, beginning to come back to this moment, back into your body, and back into a reality where your desire already exists. Feel that sense of gratitude as you begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, taking a nice stretch in any way that feels good to you. And when you're ready, open your eyes and begin to see your life through the idea that everything is always working out for you in your favor. Come back to this meditation each day for 21 days and use this for each thing you intend to manifest. You can pick a new desire each time. And if you enjoy these meditations and want brand new exclusive meditations each and every month, as well as a live Q&A with me, click the link in the description box below for more information on joining Create.